Hello, my dear children. I welcome you all again on behalf of JET Kids International School Pusat to our virtual class 1. Subject English, and today's our topic is number 4. Once I saw a little bird. Children, we have completed our revision of 3 lessons of English. In today's video, we are going to start revision of topic number 4, that is a poem, and name of this poem is Once I Saw a Little Bird. Children, as you can see in the title of this poem also, this poem is all about a little bird. Okay, as we learnt about this in detail in our previous video. Today also we will revise this poem. This poem is very interesting. Okay. So if you are having your textbook, please open page number 36. Okay. So children, see this picture. What we can see here? We can see here one bird. Then we can see here one boy is also here. Now children, this boy, as we can see, he is trying to teach something to this bird. Okay. So as we can see here, musical symbol. Okay. So it means this boy, he is teaching song to this bird. Children, what is the name of this bird? Can you identify this? Yes. Name of this bird is parrot. Name of this bird is parrot. As we can see, a red beak of this bird. So children, this one is a parrot. Okay. So children, first of all we will read. Okay. If you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say? Write the words or expressions. So children, if you had a pet parrot, so what would you like to teach it to say? Okay. Why to only parrot? Because children, in all birds only parrot have a master the ability of speech. Okay. Parrot can talk. Okay. So when we will teach them, so they will also talk like us. Okay. So children, parrot is only a bird that it has the ability of speech. Okay. So children, which words or which expressions you will teach it? So children, you can teach it small or simple or easy words. Okay. Like hello, you can teach it to say hello. So this word is very short and also easy. Okay. Then you can teach it to say its own name or our family member's name also. Okay. So this thing will encourage to this parrot. Then we can teach it to sing song also. Okay. So it can sing it well. Okay. So we can teach it to sing song. Then we can also teach it to say how do you do. Okay. So these small words you can teach it to say. So these words, these expressions you have to write. The place has given here in this picture. Okay, you have to write here. Okay, actually we have completed this activity. So children, see the poem now. Reading. Okay, so first of all we will read this poem about a bird that a child sees. Okay, so children, as we can see in this picture, one child is also here. He sees a this little bird. So first of all, try to sing with me. We will sing this poem in proper rhythm and intonation. So, once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Okay. In this rhythm and intonation, you also read it. Okay. You also sing it. So children, now I am going to explain this poem. So before that, children, see the new words which you can see in this poem. So first of all, hop. Hop, it means what? It means to jump and move forward. It means to jump and move forward. As we can see in this poem also, this bird hop. We can see hop, hop, hop. It means jumping and moving forward. Then next one, how do you do? What is meant by how do you do? It means a formal greeting used to say, used when to meet somebody for the first time. When we meet any person at the first time, so at that time we use this word. Okay, how do you do? So this is a formality and we use it. Okay. Then what is meant by tail? Tail, it means the long part of the back of the body of an animal or a bird. Okay. So this tail we can see a bird also and also animal. So the long part at the back of the body of an animal or a bird. So children, these are the new words and you have to learn these new words. So this is your PH. Okay. Then see the first stanza of this poem. As we can see in this poem, there is a one bird. This bird is a little. Okay, and color of this bird is yellow. Okay, so I will sing again the first stanza of this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Here, as we can see in this picture, there is a one child. Okay. So once what happened? This child, he saw a little bird. He saw a little bird. How's the bird? Bird is a little. Okay. So children, my question is that what did the child see? The answer is the child see a little bird. Okay. So once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Now this child, he saw a little bird and now come hop, hop, hop. Here, what is meant by hop? As we learned, hop, it means to jump and move forward. The boy here, the child, he is looking this a little bird and this bird is hopping. Hopping, it means jumping and moving, jumping and moving. So such type, this boy is looking to him. Okay. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So after looking this bird while hopping, this boy, he is cried. Cried, it means to call loudly or shout that, will you stop, stop, stop? That he is saying that this child is saying to this bird, will you please stop, stop, stop? Okay, because when first time we see bird, you children are very small, no? So when you see, so you feel very surprised. Okay, you fascinated to see this. So this boy, he is saying, will you stop, stop, stop? He is asking question. So actually he want to stop this bird. Okay, so we can see one time like he is saying that please. Okay, so please stop, stop, stop. So children, in this first stanza, as we can see that this little child, he saw a little bird while hopping and he is crying. Crying, it means he is a shout loudly. He call it loudly that little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Then next stanza, and was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. So here, now as we can see, to stop him, this boy, this child, he going to the window, as we can see in this picture. Okay, he is at a window. Okay, so and was going to the window to say, how do you do? It means he want to ask this bird, this little bird, that how do you do? Okay, because he meet a first time to this bird, no? So like a formality, he is asking to this bird, how do you do? But this bird, what he did, he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Okay, shook, it means what, children? It means shake. He shook is the past tense of shake. So he shook his little tail. Here we learnt about tail. What is meant by tail? The long part of the back of the body of a bird. So he shook his little tail and far away he flew. He fly. Okay. He didn't listen to this boy. Actually, this boy, he want to stop this little bird. Okay. And he want to ask this little bird that how do you do? He want to talk with it. But this little bird, he shook his little tail and far away he flew. As we can see in this picture also. Okay. He is flying. This bird is flying. Okay. So in this way, children, we saw our poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. Okay. So children, what you have to do? You have to go through it. You have to learn this poem in proper rhythm and intonation, and learn the questions and answers, and make a short video on this poem and send it on my WhatsApp. So children, take care. Until then, thank you.